Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create labels in WhatsApp. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and you need to update your WhatsApp application. Once you done that, you need to go back, you need to open WhatsApp, and once you open WhatsApp, here on the top you can see different unread favorite groups, and you can see this plus icon. Click on that and create a label. So I'm going to create my team. For example, you can add emoji from here as well, and click on add people or group. So I'm going to add a people. Click on the tick mark, click on create list, and now you can see that my team list is created here. So if I want to communicate with my team, I simply need to come open WhatsApp, and from all I need to shift to the my team, and I can easily communicate with my team here. So this is our process. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.